If you're going to solve your hands-on equation classwork digitally, there's a few things you need to know. When you open up your classwork, you will see all of your problems here. You'll see a blue pawn, a white pawn, and your cubes right along the left side of the sheet. You'll also see a black X, and that black X is going to be used to show all your legal moves. And then you have green text boxes where you'll type in your answers. Let me demonstrate a couple of problems for you. So the first one, I have 2x, so I'm going to drag over 2 blue pawns equals x and a 3 cube. So you'll see I left a little space to kind of indicate the equal sign. Now in order to solve, I just need to perform some legal moves. I have blue pawns on each side, so I can take them away. But so we can record them, we're just going to drag a black X over them to show that we took those away. And then I can see I have a blue pawn is equal to 3. So X is equal to 3. So you just double click in the text box and type in your answer. Now to do my check, I'm going to picture those blue pawns with the black X's on them back on my balance. So I have 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So I'm going to type in 6 equals 6. Let me show you another one. Let's look at number 3. I have x plus 4, so I have an x and a 4 cube. And on the other side, I have 2 x's and a 3 cube. So drawing them just means I'm dragging those pieces over. Now I go ahead and solve using legal moves. I have cubes on each side, so I'm going to subtract the smaller cube. I'm going to subtract 3 from each side. So I'm going to put a black X over the 4. 4 minus 3 is 1, so I'm going to just drag over a new number cube and stack it on top. And then I have blue X's on each side, so I can take one of those away from each side. And I have a 1 cube and a blue X, so X is equal to 1. Now I have to go back into the original. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. So 5 equals 5. You're going to continue to do that process to solve. Now in this particular case, you can see there are some problems where it's already drawn out for you. In that case, you would just do your legal moves. Let me show you one here. So I have 2 blue pawns, a 1, a 10, and a 5. And so I would just need to show my legal moves. I don't have pawns on each side, but I have cubes on each side, so I can drag down a black X to show that I can get rid of that 1. And I can drag a black X down to say I'm going to change that 5. 5 minus 1 is a 4, so then I can drag down the new. So I have 2 pawns is equal to 14, so X must be 7. And 7 plus 1 is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 equals 15. So you'll continue to solve your classwork in that manner, and then you'll click the Submit Assignment in Schoology.